How to log in into Costco Citi card online account. First of all, open up Google Chrome and in the search bar type in Costco Citi card login. Once you search for it, you'll land in the search results. From here, navigate to the first link, that is www.citi.com. Tap on it. That will take you to this web page, and here at the top right corner there is a sign in button. Tap on it. Now you land in sign in portal. Here first of all you have to enter your user ID that you have created while creating your account. So type in your correct user ID. Under that you have to type in the correct password. If you like to save your login information, tap on this checkbox that says remember user ID. In case you forgot your ID or forgot your password, there is a link underneath sign in button. Tap on it, follow some screen instructions, and that's going to help you to recover your account. If you have entered your user ID and password correctly, tap on sign in button. With that, you'll be logged in with your Costco Citi card online account. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.